The original cocktail started with this company. This is Bols in Amsterdam. If you love drinking, you're gonna absolutely love this place. From an immersive cocktail history experience to getting free drink vouchers and getting tips on how to make your own martini, this is the spot. This is Bols in Amsterdam. Let's get into the video. Okay, we made it to the House of Bols cocktail experience over here. The entrance is $20. For a 30-minute workshop, it's $35. For the full workshop, 46 euros, which is roughly $50. Friday and Saturday night entrance, 16. So are we gonna go 0-3 or are we gonna go 1-3? Find out next time on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. Alright guys, they let us into the House of Bols. It was like 70 euros. It's a little, I don't know, you get some drinks. Yeah, you get a little experience, you waste some time. So I'll let you guys know if it's worth it at the end. But Bols is actually the first cocktail company, period. And this tour is gonna show a bit about the background, hopefully a little bit of mixology, and have some drinks. They gave us this drink voucher to use at the bar. So I'm about to go use it and wait for the tour to start. Let's go, guys. Alright guys, so here's the menu. These are the cocktails you can use your tokens on. So they also have virgin cocktails in case you're not drinking. So far it looks like pretty good options. I'm gonna have to look through the menu one more time to see which one I'm gonna pick. Here we have a good friend from Ecuador making the blue tequila. Expert craftsmanship, oh yeah. Okay, he's getting fancy with it. Hey! Oh, let's go! Trick shots. I need to learn how to do that. That was so cool. Oh, that thing looks crazy. Alright, we got the blue margarita. Look at this thing. Filled to the brim. This is how all drinks should be made. That tequila goes hard. I can already feel the hangover. Then we got the paloma, but mocktail. Okay, so you get the grapefruit, but then like you get the smokiness from this. So overall, good drinks. Good experience so far. We're in the middle of the workshop, putting the limes in here. So far, so good. And now we put the ice. Alright, so now you pick your own flavor of cocktail that you want to use as your mixer. I'm gonna go with the lychee. So you pour 25 milliliters. Alright, and now we pour into the cup. Boom. Now we're gonna get a different flavor for the second cocktail. Hold on, I'll be right back. And now we're gonna use blue curacao for the second one. Let's get these 25 milliliters. No more, no less. Gotta have a balance. Boom. Now you put the lime on top, and now you got your caipirinha, and the result. And then we got the blue curacao version. All right, now we got the lychee caipirinha, all mixed beautifully. Ooh, it's like real heavy on the lychee flavor and not too much alcohol. It's perfectly balanced. Give me my bartender license right now. I need to be working at a bar in Vegas. Give me the best bar. Now we got the blue curacao. Reminds me of an AMF. This one I'm a little scared of. I think it's gonna be a little rough. Tastes more like a margarita. We just filled the big ones with cubed ice, and we also squeezed lemon into a little cup. Smelling good. I think we're off to a good start. Want me to try? Hey, this is the Star Martini from Bols. This is the best cocktail I've ever had in my life. Hands down, 10 out of 10. Great experience. All right, guys, we just finished the 30-minute cocktail experience. And to be honest, that was the best cocktail I've ever had. Not even exaggerating. It was really delicious. But now we're on to a tour. We got 2 free mystery shots. So I'm gonna go ahead and have the first one. For the tour, we have the audiobook here on this little pad. Pretty cool, you put it up to your ear. Kind of looks like you're talking on the phone. But these little shots look pretty dangerous. Let's see. Kind of smells sweet, like vanilla. Oof, that was rough. But let's keep going. Let's see what we see. So we got this famous painting right here. It tells a story on the audiobook, but this guy has a look like. All right, guys, let me make you a drink. Everyone's like, bet, let's go. They're super excited, and I would too if I was about to have the first cocktail ever. This looks like BC, like way old. Over here we have the art of flavor, and here I feel like I'm about to get a stroke, but I'm about it. Let's do it. All right, guys, I'm in the Bols cocktail experience. All right, all I have to do is press start, so let's do it.
Start the experience. Please close the door to start the experience.
Okay.
Please look in the mirror so we can scan your face.
Bro, why does that feel like I'm in a Clockwork Orange theory?
Open the flap.
This thing is like vibrating my feet. Oh, wow. This thing is vibrating my feet, guys. That was pretty trippy. So now on the wall they have this little sniffer. So they have all the flavors. Crazy. Let's see what this smells like. Oh, this one's like nothing but peach. This one's fire. I smelled this one over here. It was straight vodka. It's like awoken every sense in my body. All right, guys, I just took a 30-minute class on how to make a cocktail. I don't need her instructions. Let's get into a real shaking bottle.
Are you ready to battle?
All right.
3,
2,
2, 1.
1.
Let's go. Come on.
Baila los Rockies. Ta, 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 ta.
We all know one there. Thank you guys for watching to the end of the video. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe so I can continue making great content in different countries. Overall, Amsterdam has been a blast. Complete 10 out of 10.
Greetings from Amsterdam.
Hey! For anyone that wants to visit Amsterdam, what do you want to say?
Welcome.
Welcome.
Come to the burger room because they have the best burgers.
Hey, they have the best burgers.
Yeah, right?
Hey, you heard it here first. Check out the burger room in Amsterdam. Well, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.